use the cost of the penalty against the potential savings. Make sure you always weigh your options. For instance, if you will save $300 to change to another insurer, but that means you have to pay $200 in fines for canceling your current insurance, then it's possibly a worthwhile deal. However, if you have to pay $200 fine for a $100 savings, you might have to hold on until the agreed expiration date before you change over to another company. It all comes down to if you will save money on a new deal or not. Stay with the same insurance provider longer to lower your termination penalties. If you terminate your policy after 2 weeks, you might have to pay a $400 penalty, but if you cancel after 11 months, you might end up paying $50 or less. Always make sure to read all the documents you are given before signing and activating your vehicle insurance. Use the competition to potentially lower your rate. A great number of people use this strategy to their benefit. You can do this if you like your insurance provider, but they are relatively costly, and they charge fines for cancellations. Let them know you have gotten cheaper quotes from their competitor and ask if they can match the cheaper rate. There's a chance they might decrease your cost of insurance and give you a better deal to keep you as a customer. Then you have a better rate and can avoid any termination penalties. Examine the termination rules on any new policy you have in mind. If you find less expensive insurance and need to opt out, make sure your new provider does not have huge termination penalties. You can call the customer representative and get all the relevant information you need to know about the fees and charges involved. In addition, thoroughly read the terms and conditions of your new contract, to avoid unforeseen fines. Look for a direct insurer that does not force cancellation charges. You can look for an insurer that doesn't charge for the cancellation of policy. In the past few years, many carriers have stopped car insurance penalty plans in favor of letting people cancel at any time. There are now insurance policies with internet-based rates, no hidden fees, and no transaction costs if you want to cancel. This is one of the reasons you should take the time to check your current rate online. Since you now understand how to stay away from additional cancellation charges, you ought to take a couple of minutes and attempt to get your rates reduced. You have access to free quotes without commitment online and can realize hundreds in savings in just a matter of minutes. Get started now and lower your insurance rates online.